Let's take a look at Sinangsa Temple, located right below Soraksan. It's located in Soraksan National Park, surrounded by beautiful nature. You can also experience traditional Buddhist culture and temple stays. And Sinangsa is also known as the leading Bhikkhuni temple in Gangwon-do. There are 3 main buildings and cultural assets. There's Cheonbuljeon, a 3-story pagoda, and Daeungjeon. As I walked, I arrived at the Sinangsa Valley. Seeing the clear water and dense forest around the valley, I felt at peace.